186. That's how many times I've sneezed today.
Hay fever's acting up, huh?
Ray's allergic to pollen, Serena's allergic to studying, and I'm allergic to wasting my time.
I just hope nothing bad has happened to them. They're really late.
Bad, Amy? If I know them, they probably got sidetracked by some cute boy they met at the game arcade or something.
Achoo! Excuse me. I'm having terrible allergies.
You have to be careful this time of year.
Usagi and Minako are really late for our study session. I wonder what they could have gotten into.
The fact that both of them aren't here yet has me worried. I hope nothing happened.
Well, knowing those two, I'll bet they spotted some cute-looking boy and they followed him to see if they can get his phone number.
やだわ、花粉かしら。
この時期は注意しないと。それにしても、うさぎちゃんとみなこちゃんは遅いな。一体二人ともどうしたんだ？二人ともってところが気になるわね。何かあったのかしら。
どうせ、あの二人のことだから、かっこいい男の子でも見かけて、一緒に追いかけてったんじゃない？